So the domain of embedded medical system or health system is at a crossroad of a societal demands which didn't exist 30 years ago and technological developments which were not possible 30 years ago. So it's only recently that everything came here to build this possibility. The societal demands is mainly the monitoring and the assistance of chronically ill patients in their mobility situation. And you know, we are all mobile. This is something we have to solve now. And also there is the problem, and I started actually 30 years ago, I did my PhD on the problem of home teleassistance for the elderly. So we come to Health Embedded System, HES, in French is called SES, Système Embarqué pour la Santé. And Health Embedded System is an electronic device which measures, which also can act on a living or inert biological environment in an autonomous and intelligent way. So it's an independent system, or maybe an element of a more complex instrumentation, which can be hierarchical and interactive, networked or not. Most of the time it is connected, so it is networked. Interoperable or not, but we'll see that it's useful that it is interoperable. Miniaturized or not, biocompatible or not, implanted or not. So it's very wide. At the beginning, so what is an health embedded system? It is a system which is connected to a biological environment, which can be a human being, an animal, or only a biological part. So we need to capture data, so we need sensor. So this is a very important part, which is how we come from the analog world, the real world, to the digital world. So for that we need sensors, and we need analog electronics. So for people who know, in electronics there are two domains, analog electronics and digital electronics, and analog electronics is still very important, even though it didn't move a lot in the last 20 years. When we need to work to actuate the interface to the biological environment, we need also simulation, and needs also analog electronics. Since it is in digital world, we need processing and control, that is microprocessors for the